Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to hide Facebook ads or see less ads like it. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. And if you are seeing the ad and you want to hide that specific ad, you just need to click on the three dots located at the top right portion of the ad. Click on that and you will be able to see these options. Now, if you want to see less ad like this one, you just need to click on not interested. But if you don't want to see the ads anymore and you want to hide it, you just need to click hide app to never see this ad again. And that's it. That's how you hide Facebook ads or see less ads like it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.